Alaikum friends, I hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss GDB number 1 of English 507. Okay, the answer of the question is phonetics is the branch of linguistics that comprises the study of sounds of human speech. Phonology is concerned with the abstract grammatical characterization of system of sound or sign. It analyzes the pattern form of phonemes, units of sound. Learning phonetics and phonology may avoid miscommunication between teachers and the students or between teachers and teachers, because when learning these two elements we will know how to pronounce something correctly, whether it should be long or short. Articulatory phonetics, how sounds are made, can be useful for teachers and learners. Problems with the pronunciation of certain sounds can be discussed in terms of how they are made with the mouth, and learners can be made aware of the differences between their first language phonemes and English phonemes. So we can say that by using the terms of phonetics and phonology, a teacher can communicate more effectively in the class and avoid many miscommunication. The terms phonetics and phonology allow to discover the different rules for combining the different sounds, and they also help to find different rules of various different languages. Now students, I hope today's topic is clear, and if there is any confusion in your mind regarding today's topic, then you can ask in comment section. And if you like my video, then share it with your friends, and also subscribe my YouTube channel Malik Science Academy and press the bell icon for notifications. You can also visit my Facebook page Malik Science Academy and press the bell icon for notifications. You can follow me on Instagram Malik Science Academy. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.